Croeso I Llandudno. Welcome to Llandudno. I'm Mary Wimbury, Labour parliamentary candidate for this area, the constituency of Aberconwy. Over the past few years, I've talked to thousands of local people about their hopes and ambitions, about what they'd like to see change in our society. People just don't feel the economy works for them at the moment. The Tories talk about recovery, but people aren't feeling it.
So many people around here now are on 0.hour contracts. So, there definitely isn't any consistency there of work. They might get work one week, they might not get any the next week, or they'll get less hours. You can't budget properly like that. Obviously, there's no consistency, is there? And of course the utility bills now, they're absolutely ridiculous. These companies now should be getting fined for what they're charging people. It's really outrageous. And then you've got this idiotic advice from government to say heat one room. Where do they coming from, Westminster, to tell people to heat one room?
It's absolutely
that's taking your basic
yeah.
human needs, your human rights away, that you can't even walk around your own home. It's absolutely ridiculous. They'll be issuing camp beds next and chamber pots, and they'll be saying, there you go, stay in one room.
Everyone's saying gas and electricity bills are going up at the moment. Is that what you're finding?
Oh yes, very much so. After the last bill we had, it was extraordinarily high. And considering that we worked very hard last year to be frugal on the use of the gas and electricity, and more so because I'm not able to do any housework or anything else now. I can't understand, quite honestly, how some people are actually coping at all. And it's a poor tale when a country which used to be great is now a rock bottom.
Aberconwy is a fabulous place. That's why we get so many visitors every year. But it could be a better place to live and work. These students at Coleg Llandrillo are working hard. They'll benefit from the Welsh Labour Government's Jobs Growth Wales scheme. But a Labour government in Westminster will also scrap exploitative zero-hours contracts. Labour would make sure that people get the security they need to be able to live their lives without the uncertainty of whether they'll get a pay packet this week. We'll give the lowest paid people a £3,000 a year pay rise by raising the minimum wage to £8 by 2020. Next May is your opportunity to build a better, fairer Britain. Your opportunity to kick the Tories out of government and build a Britain that works for everybody.